This brand is made in China and can be purchased through the manufacturer's Amazon store, but the warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is more environmentally friendly than brands that use R410A. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient because conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. The HvacRepairGuy model uses self-evaporating technology which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket. The units have a 3-speed fan with oscillating louvers which does a good job of circulating the air throughout the room. The units are pretty quiet with a 52 decibel noise rating on high speed, which is much less than the level from normal adult conversation. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.